Ovaj event koji se država tradicionalno Orahovici čak prvu godinu već. To je dugo...
Već prvu godinu? Ujebote!
Je prepun dobro odjevenih ljudi kao što su svi osim Šiša. Na ovom eventu veliki problem to što nema lakih i teških droga.
But judging from the car they drive, I know they not poor, and I could be mistaken because I'm not sure. But I got this little hunch they the ones calling the cops 4 times last week, saying I'm disturbing the peace because I was playing my music and they heard some loud screams. So my neighbor, the cop, who I suspect the beating, his wife had to tell me to stop. And I wish I had the guts to tell him about the noise from his apartment, but that's
Isto nema, ne znam, metamfetamina.